Okay, so I went through both of these switches. This one came on it and this one was in the cup holder. They're both bad. I'm gonna show you what you're looking for with a multimeter so you can tell if your switch is good or bad. And you'll also understand how to wire it after this. So what you have on the mower is you have a pair of purple, pair of yellow, pair of white. The yellow is gonna be your PTO and the purple and the white are gonna be safeties. So switch off, we should have continuity outside to outside on all of these. On your multimeter to set continuity, this little diode looking arrow, that's your continuity, or you can set it on like 200 ohms. Either one's gonna work. You can watch the numbers. We should have continuity to outside. We do. There's no continuity to the middle. Next pair, same thing, continuity outside to outside. Nothing on the middle. And this pair back here should have continuity. Correct. When we engage the switch, PTO on, we should lose continuity on the outside of all these. See, the meter's not reacting, no continuity there. No continuity there. Nothing there. But what we do have is there's labels on this switch. This is your COM side. This is your normally closed side. So from the COM side, we should, with the switch on, have continuity from the COM to this middle bar. And we do. Should be the same thing here. Yep. So the way we're gonna wire this up is, we'll have, I don't think it matters, purple and white are both safety. So we're gonna put purple here, and we'll put white here, and I'll put yellow on the COM side and the center pole. Everything else is gonna be purple. We'll do purple here. Purple outside and outside, white outside and outside, then yellow will be COM side and center. All right, ground's hooked up. I'm gonna engage the PTO. It's probably gonna be hard to hear, but we should hear the PTO kick in down here on the deck. For sure, and it turns off. Back on. Everything seems good there.